Welcome to my channel Next Gen Bytes, where we explore the future of technology step by step. Today, we have something that is shaking the drone community across the world. Fresh information has surfaced, giving us the clearest look yet at DJI's next ultralight machine, the DJI Mini 5 Pro. This is not just another update. This is a leap in what drones under 250 grams can actually do. And if the leaks are correct, the Mini 5 Pro could be one of the most powerful yet portable drones ever made. So let's slow things down and break everything into pieces. By the end of this video, you will know every confirmed detail, every upgrade, every price rumor, and why so many creators, vloggers, and professionals are waiting for this drone. The start of a new chapter. The Mini series from DJI has always been about portability. You can fold the drone, slip it into a small bag, and still capture professional-looking shots. But until now, there was always a limit. You had to compromise between weight, camera power, or safety features. With the Mini 5 Pro, DJI seems to be rewriting that balance completely. The leaked details show that this drone is designed for people who want professional imaging without the bulk and without the hassle of strict registration rules in many countries. That makes it appealing not only for beginners, but also for seasoned filmmakers. The bold new design. Let's start with the first thing that catches the eye: the design changes. Images shared by reliable insiders show that DJI has given the Mini 5 Pro a completely fresh look. The gimbal, which is the heart of the drone's camera system, has been completely reworked. Instead of a small sensor like older models, the Mini 5 Pro now supports a 1-inch image sensor. This is a huge upgrade. Why? Because a bigger sensor means more light is captured. More light means better low-light shots, sharper details, and higher resolution photos and videos. Imagine flying at sunset or during golden hour. With the larger sensor, you'll see less grain, richer colors, and smoother details. For content creators, this is an absolute dream, and that's not all. Alongside the main camera, the leaked images reveal dual LiDAR sensors. These are not just there for decoration. Dual sensors can enhance obstacle avoidance and also bring smarter subject tracking. Think about running on a trail and having the drone follow you through trees without crashing. That's the kind of feature that makes drones feel alive and intelligent. Propulsion system upgrades. Now let's move to the engines that keep this machine in the air, the motors. The leaks suggest upgraded propulsion motors with a darker matte finish. But it's not only about looks. These motors now support quick-release propellers. If you've used older drones, you know how important this is. Changing propellers used to take time, sometimes tools, and often patience. But with quick-release props, you can swap them out in seconds. This is a big deal for professionals chasing moments that won't wait. Golden hour lighting disappears fast. Wildlife doesn't pose for the camera. When you need to get back in the air quickly, every second matters. And DJI seems to have designed the Mini 5 Pro with that urgency in mind. Under the hood, power and compliance, turning the drone upside down reveals even more surprises. The Mini 5 Pro now includes a dedicated power port. This is something we usually see in DJI's bigger drones like the Mavic or the Air series. Why does this matter? Because it could allow on-the-go charging from power banks or other external sources. Imagine being in the mountains, far from any power outlet. You simply plug your drone into a portable battery and you're ready to keep flying. This alone makes the Mini 5 Pro far more versatile for travel vloggers, hikers, or anyone who shoots outside the city. Another important aspect is compliance. The leaks indicate that the drone will remain under the C0 classification, which means in most regions you won't need to go through registration. That is a massive advantage for hobbyists and frequent travelers. Legal restrictions are one of the biggest headaches for drone flyers, and DJI seems to have solved that issue by keeping the weight under control. Safety and flexibility. Propeller guards. Now let's talk about safety. The Mini 5 Pro comes with removable ducted propeller guards. These guards look similar to what DJI included with the Mini Flip, but here you get the option to remove them. Why is this clever? Because it gives you two different setups in one drone. If you are flying indoors or in tight spaces, you keep the guards on. They protect the propellers and add an extra layer of safety. But when you're outside and want maximum agility and speed, you take them off. It's all about flexibility. Beginners will appreciate the added safety, while professionals will love the performance. Quick launch. A game-changing button. One of the most intriguing leaks is the side-mounted quick launch button. Imagine this. You're walking through a scenic trail. You see a beautiful waterfall. Instead of opening your controller, connecting your phone, and waiting for everything to sync, you simply press one button on the drone. It powers up, takes off, and starts capturing shots instantly. This feature is inspired by DJI's smaller drones like the Neo and the Flip. But bringing it into the Mini 5 Pro changes everything. It means you can capture spontaneous moments without losing them. For creators, this could be a revolution. Price and release date. Now comes the question everyone is asking. How much will it cost and when will it arrive? According to current whispers, the Fly More combo with the RC2 controller will be priced at around $1,200. This puts it firmly in the premium category. But when you compare the features, bigger sensor, obstacle avoidance, modular safety, quick launch, it becomes clear why DJI has positioned it here. As for release, the leaks suggest a September 2026 launch window. That's still some time away, and availability might vary by region, but it gives us a clear target. DJI is lining this up as one of their headline releases in the near future. Why the Mini 5 Pro matters. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is not just another upgrade. It represents a new philosophy. DJI wants to bring professional-grade imaging into a body that is still under 250 grams. That is the magic formula. It means you can travel light, shoot professionally, and avoid most of the legal complications that come with bigger drones. The quick-release propellers reduce downtime. The external power support extends your shooting sessions. The modular guards balance safety and performance. The quick launch button creates instant creativity. And the C0 compliance ensures freedom of operation in most countries. If these leaks are accurate, then the Mini 5 Pro could become the most versatile drone in its class. It's a tool for travelers, vloggers, filmmakers, and hobbyists all at once. It's rare to see one product hit so many categories so well, but DJI seems to have cracked the code. Final thoughts for Section 1. So, what do we know so far? We know the Mini 5 Pro is coming with a radical design change. We know it will include a bigger camera sensor, better obstacle detection, and upgraded motors. We know it will have safety options for beginners and performance features for pros. We know it will support external power and have a quick launch button for instant filming. And we know it will likely cost around $1,200 with a release date set for late 2026. That's a lot of confirmed detail for a product that isn't even officially out yet, and it shows just how big this release could be.